Hi, welcome to Vegan Finds. And when the earth gives you a bounty like we have right here, you gotta go with it. So, this is a preview of Mushroom Week, even though we've already done Mushroom Week. But the earth has granted us some ripe bounty. We got some oyster mushrooms here. We have these beautiful chanterelles here. And this behemoth underneath me, that's a chicken of the woods mushroom that I plucked right from the front yard of my parents' house. So what you're going to see is we're going to take these and turn them into this to this. Chicken nuggets and honey mustard sauce. To this Vietnamese banh mi sandwich. To this coconut shrimp with charred corn salsa and avocado crema.
To this teriyaki, king oyster teriyaki skewers.
To this morel mac and cheese.